Articles of Confederation by Anayancy Antonio Alba, Reseda Tapia, Diana Carreño, and Tammy Morales. On November 15, 1777, the Articles of Confederation were made by Benjamin Franklin as a form of government. After the colonies had signed the Declaration of Independence, they needed to implement a form of government. The Articles of Confederation established a firm league of friendship among the states. It didn't go into effect immediately. They needed the ratification of the 13 states first. 11 of the states approved upon it within a year. Delaware and Maryland first didn't want to sign, but in February of 1779, Delaware signed, and on March 1st, 1781, Maryland signed. Each year, the states would choose a new president. The states only had one vote. By agreeing to the Articles, the states pledged to obey the Articles and Acts of Congress. They promised funds and troops requested by Congress. Citizens from different states were to treat each other fairly and equally. Although the Articles sounded like a good form of government at the time, it had a lot of weaknesses. The government didn't have a judicial or executive branch inserted into the government. Also, the Congress was unable to tax its citizens, so that meant there was no efficient way for the government to pay for things. Another problem with the Articles is that it gave way too much power to the individual states. This made it almost impossible for the government to interfere with the states' decisions. After the Articles of Confederation failed, it then led to the Constitution.